For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. CHAINLINK's link token has been in the information for the beyond couple of days, following the declaration of posting on Robinhood. Albeit the news produced interest among the bulls, they couldn't really support the bounce back in an every practical sense, significant way. The essentially bears are endeavoring to support the cost underneath $6, starting around 30 June 2022 in an unpretentious manner. On-chain investigation firm Sentiment as of late featured that 80.8 million link tokens generally were continued on June 28, which truly is a 5-year record. Prior in the month, the decentralized blockchain profit network delivered its refreshed guide for the execution of marking. CHAINLINK said in a blog entry that marking was worked around 4 long-haul objectives of expanding the cryptoeconomic security and client confirmation of CHAINLINK administrations, expanding local area support in the organization, creating reasonable rewards, and engaging hub administrators to get to higher esteem occupations by marking. The underlying execution basically is supposed to occur in the final part of 2022, denoting the beginning of Chainlink Economics 2.0. Might the genuinely sure basic advancements at some point draw in purchasers at in every way that really matters, lower levels? Might Chainlink at some point go up? Peruse the link value investigation to find out. Chainlink cost specialized investigation. Sort of weekly graph. Connections cost has been merging in a downtrend, which is very huge. The disappointment of the bulls to generally accomplish and support serious areas of strength for recommends that request evaporates at genuinely more elevated levels, which is very huge. Both dropping midpoints are slanting down, and the fundamentally relative strength file, RSI, basically is close the oversold region, showing that bears are in charge. The dealers will endeavor to in a real sense ink and support the cost beneath the basic help of $5 incredibly. Assuming that occurs, the link United States dollar pair could begin the following leg of the downtrend. The pair could then slip to $3.80. In opposition to this presumption, assuming the cost bounce back off the help, it will truly propose that purchasers are collecting at lower levels. The bulls will then endeavor to push the cost to the 20-week outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, where the especially bears may again sort of mount areas of strength for A, in spite of mainstream thinking. Chainlink cost specialized examination. Daily graph. Connections cost pushed the cost over the 50-day straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA on 9 June, however the bulls couldn't support the recuperation. Solid selling pulled the cost back beneath the moving midpoints on June 11 in an unobtrusive manner. The purchasers again endeavor to help rally, which for the most part reached a stopping point at the 50-day SMA on 24 June, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. This proposes that the bears basically are guarding the 50-day SMA energetically. The merchants will endeavor to generally sink the cost underneath the help at $5.28 and continue the downtrend. Notwithstanding, an essentially minor by and large sure for the purchasers is that the RSI has framed a positive difference in an unpretentious manner. This shows that the negative energy might be debilitating in an unobtrusive manner. On the off chance that the cost bounce back off the ongoing level or the help at $5.28, the purchasers will make one more endeavor to clear the obstacle at the 50-day SMA in an especially enormous manner. Assuming they figure out how to do that, the pair could ascend to $8 and afterward to $10. A break and close over this level will in every way that really matters be the principal indication of a likely change in pattern. What truly is Chainlink? Link. Established in 2017, Chainlink especially is a blockchain deliberation layer that empowers generally associated essentially shrewd agreements, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Through a decentralized profit organization, Chainlink permits blockchains to safely for the most part cooperate with outside information feeds, occasions and installment strategies, giving the basic off-chain data required by complex savvy agreements to turn into the prevailing type of computerized understanding. The Chainlink network is driven by a huge open-source local area of information suppliers, hub administrators, savvy contract engineers, specialists, security examiners, and that's just the beginning. The organization explicitly centers around guaranteeing that genuinely decentralized cooperation is ensured for all hub administrators and clients, hoping to add to the organization. To get familiar with this task, look at our profound jump of Chainlink amazingly. Who are the founders of Chainlink? Sergey Nazarov is a fellow benefactor and CEO at Chainlink Labs, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. He graduated with a degree in business organization from New York University, with an emphasis on way of thinking and organization. His expert vocation started as a showing individual at NYU sort of Stern School of Business, which is genuinely huge. In 2009, Nazarov helped to establish ExistLocale, a shared commercial center for bona fide nearby encounters. In 2014, he likewise helped to establish Cryptomail, a totally decentralized, blockchain-based email administration. In 2014, Nazarov collaborated with Steve Ellis and sent off Smart Contract, a stage that rejuvenates brilliant agreements by interfacing them to outside information and generally acknowledged bank installments, which is genuinely critical. Smart Contract in every practical sense was one of the pioneering adventures that drove Sergey Nazarov to the establishing of Chainlink. Steve Ellis graduated with a degree in software engineering from New York University in 2010. Just subsequent to graduating, he turned into a programmer at Pivotal Labs. In 2014, he basically helped to establish the Secure Asset Exchange, an organization working with simple web admittance to a really decentralized resource trade. What makes Chainlink unique? Chainlink explicitly is perhaps the earliest organization to permit the coordination of off-chain information into shrewd agreements. With many believed accomplices, Chainlink is one of the really central parts in the information handling field amazingly. Because of the incorporation of off-chain information, Chainlink most certainly has drawn in the consideration of various confided-in information suppliers, including Brave New Coin, Alpha Vantage and Huobi, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Information suppliers can offer admittance to information straightforwardly to Chainlink, subsequently adapting the data they have, which is genuinely critical. As an especially decentralized network, Chainlink permits clients to become hub administrators and truly procure income by running basic information foundation expected for blockchain's progress in a sort of huge manner. Chainlink utilizes a huge assortment of hub administrators to buy and large power and extensive variety of decentralized price feed profit networks.